What's up guys, and welcome back to another video sponsored by Elegance. In this video we are going to create this boho spring nail art set using the new spring collection for 2020, Blossom and Bloom of course. So if you want to see how I did this, you better stick around. So if you are doing this on a real hand and not a practice hand like this, you want to create a couple of clear extensions first. And then you go in and cover the nail bit up with some cover pink. So moving straight on to Say It Ain't Cilantro. And this is by far my favorite glitter in this collection. I knew straight away that I wanted to do something with this glitter, so this is what inspired this entire set actually. So here I'm actually going in with another layer and making it a little bit more opaque from the cuticles going down. So I'm not covering up the tip because I still want it to be a little bit see-through. And after this, we're actually going to use marshmallow, and I'm applying that to the tip and I'm fading it down towards the cuticles. My goal here is to create kind of a foggy morning forest look, but if you want to create that milk bath look, this is the same technique. And here I'm going in with You Grow Girl. I'm just adding a little bit of that cool shimmer going from the tip up to the cuticle area, but I'm not going all the way up though. And here going in with Talk Dirt to Me, which is this fantastic bone off-white, which I thought was going to be amazing for this look. And it's just so creamy, so easy to apply. And now I'm going in with One Step, and we're gonna start building the nails up. And I always enjoy watching this in speed because it's almost like a visual nail ASMR for those of you guys who know what that is. And cleansing and shaping the nails, we're not going to go into detail. You can continue with your normal shaping as usual. And here you have them all shaped and ready for the next step. And we're going to do the sandwich technique. So I'm adding one more layer with Talk Dirt to Me to get it very nice and thin. And if you want to know more about the sandwich technique, you just search for my name and the sandwich technique. I bet you're gonna find loads of videos on YouTube. So before we move on to the nail art, I'm just cleansing and buffing the nails to prepare them. So this color right here, to get this brown, basically what I did is that I took all the primary gel paints and I mixed them together, and then you get brown. So here I'm going in with the stripey brush and I'm creating a Dreamcatcher, but I want it to be more like country style forest look almost. So, you know, with the branches and it's like tied together with ropes and strings, I don't know. I want that almost like watercolor feeling. So here I'm going in with the next color and I'm creating these very simple and easy roses. And as I said, you know, I want that very kind of rustic and watercolor look to this. So I don't want this to be perfect. Same thing here, going in and adding some feathers and just painting it on very fast. I want it to look almost like it's a little bit rushed, you know. And going in with another mixture of the primary green and black to create the little leaves, and using the brown again for the dots, and then actually using You Had Me add aloe as a little bonus for some of the dots, and going in with the same brown and creating a moon shape. And then I take my stripey brush and I create those little branch thingies on there to make it look cohesive with the Dreamcatcher. So curing that, of course, And then going in with the same colors as we did with the index finger for the roses. Still very easy, don't have to be perfect at all. So I decided I wanted to do like a little branchy thing. I thought it looked a little empty maybe, so adding that mixture of green and black, and now adding a little bit of extra highlights to the roses using Talk Dirt to Me, and just adding a little bit of highlights like that, just make it pop a little bit more. I think you can see that right here as well. And just adding some more details. I love adding dots to a design because I feel it looks a little bit more advanced and intricate when you do that. And going in with the super shiny and flat matte over the hand painted nails. I always try to do that because I think it looks better on picture actually. So here you have the finished result, and I think it looks pretty nice. Can you see that shimmer from You Grow Girl and how it tweaks into a green and really melts together kind of with the glitter? It is so cool. I love this effect. I think it's amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. This collection is available to all salon customers around the world on February 3rd, and you can find that on lightelegance.com or with the Light Elegance distributors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!